Welcome to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. We're here in Pocahontas County, enjoying a 3-day trip at the cabin. We're going to sight in my crossbow, clear some of my Jeep trails, and just enjoy some downtime at the cabin. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, a little more on this crossbow. My parents gave me this for Christmas when I was 16 years old, exactly 20 years ago. It is a Yukon SL made by Horton, and the reason I got this thing out, West Virginia recently, as in the last 3 years, allows crossbow hunting, and I want to give it a shot. Seemed pretty good for 20 yards. Okay, the 20-yard shot was on the money. Hard to beat that. Okay, the 20 and 30-yard shots were pretty good, so let's see if we can't squeeze one off at 40. Well, I'd say that's pretty good, guys. I have not messed with that crossbow in a while. Beautiful morning here at the camp. Nicole is sleeping in. Apparently BB's not. Okay, guys, in conclusion, I'm pretty happy with this. I really wasn't sure how this crossbow was going to fire after sitting. I am going to wax the string, try to do some maintenance, and of course get some practice in before the season comes up. But I'm pretty happy with that for a 20-year-old bow. You guys, it is the 3rd day of spring. And it's just a beautiful day. I grabbed the Smith and Wesson 22 compact, and while Nicole's preparing breakfast, I'm going to take a quick trip down to the range. Alright guys, these are the gates we use. They're like a Metro Park style gate. And this little magnet piece keeps the bees out. Okay, welcome to the gun range. I think we're just going to pound the pistol targets a little bit today. Alright guys, I wanted to share this pistol with you. This is a Smith and Wesson M&P 22 compact. Great gun, love the color. If I had one negative, you have to use good ammo. Try to run cheap ammo through this, and I've personally experienced problems no matter how clean I keep it. But we got the golden bucket here today, which has been proven time and time again. Let's go ahead and send some downrange. Well, as you guys can see, this M&P 22 compact's a great little gun. It's just an absolute blast on the range. Very cheap to shoot, very easy on targets. I really enjoy it. Well, the temperature's dropping, the clouds are rolling in. Nicole wanted to do a little hiking this afternoon, so we're going to take the chainsaw and the Jeep to the start of the old Jeep trail, and we'll clear some trees off the old Jeep trail and check out some of the National Forest roads. Come along with us. on the back side of the property. This is where the county road ends, and we're going to try to clear this Jeep trail out. This Jeep trail is on private land. It accesses the logging roads, and it hasn't been used in many decades. We're going to see what we get. It's balanced on there. I'm just leaving it. A few more words. Well, we managed to clear the Jeep trail. We are now on National Forest land, walking on an old logging road. I think down here in about a mile we'll cross Chicken House Run. Well, it looks like they put a new culvert pipe in here going, this is where the forest logging road crosses Chicken House. Nice big culvert pipe there. Beautiful day. We've got about, a mile or so back to where we left the saw. Alright guys, we are at the bottom of the Jeep trail. I'm going to attempt to go up this thing, and my guess is I'm the first vehicle to do so in 50 years. I just brought the camera inside the cab here. Hopefully nothing bad happens. So far so good. I think that was the steepest part, although there's some ruts up here. I'm gonna go back into first gear low. Map, this road is just marked Jeep Trail, and then the road we're approaching here is a non-vehicle use forest road. A little scary here, but let's see if we can't hammer it on up. All right. I get asked about my Jeep a lot. This is a 97 TJ. 31 mud terrain tires, and the key to this Jeep is I got a locker in the front, and that's what lets you climb the steep grades in slippery conditions like we are today. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure Black Bear is the first vehicle up this Jeep trail here in many decades, at least 30 years, possibly 60 years. We're now up here on the logging road where Nicole and I took a hike earlier today. Just want to thank everybody for watching this video. Check out the rest of my channel for more outdoor videos. Everybody be safe.